how to reset progress on Memrise. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can reset your progress on Memrise, and this is how to go about it. So the first step is for you to log in into your Memrise account, just like I've done here. Once you are logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard, the key where you see your progress so far. You see the words that you planned, you see the words that you've heard, you see how far you used your words. To all be displayed there. So once you can see this, the next step is for you to head over to your course, the whose progress you would like to reset. So to head over to the course, just go to click on the course this way, and then you'll be brought to your journey where you'll see your progress so far. So once you can see this, move to the top right corner and click on the language icon. If it's not working, go back to the home page, then click on the language icon on the home page, and then click on the more options button just by the right side of the course, and then you'll see a number of options. In these options, you'll see the option for you to reset progress, to quit, to continue, and the likes. Now for me, it's only showing quit because I've not done anything so far in my course. But for you, see the option for you to reset your progress here. So click on reset progress and then select restart, and then confirm the reset by clicking yes in the pop-up window, and then your progress will be reset or memorized. So that is how you can go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.